Feeling sluggish, bloated, or weighed down? What if I told you there's a simple, natural way to cleanse your body, boost your energy, and feel lighter, all while giving your body the magnesium it craves? Stay tuned to discover the secret behind Magnesium O7 by NB Pure. Digestive health is the foundation of overall well-being, but many of us overlook it in our busy lives. If you've been searching for a natural way to support regularity, detoxification, and energy levels, Mago7 by NB Pure might be just what you need. This innovative supplement is designed to help you feel lighter, healthier, and more balanced every day. What is Mago7? Magnesium O7 is not your average magnesium supplement. It's a unique oxygen-based formula crafted by NB Pure to support digestive and overall health. It's made with magnesium compounds combined with stabilized oxygen, creating a product that not only provides essential magnesium but also gently cleanses your digestive system. How does Magnesium O7 work? When you take Mago7, it releases oxygen throughout your digestive tract. This oxygen targets and breaks down waste material, helping to cleanse your system naturally. Unlike harsh laxatives, Mago7 works gently and effectively to support regular bowel movements without cramping or discomfort. Why is magnesium important? Magnesium is a vital mineral that plays a role in over 300 enzymatic processes in the body. It supports muscle and nerve function, helps maintain energy levels, and is essential for bone health. With Magnesium O7, you're not only aiding your digestion but also giving your body a much-needed dose of this critical nutrient. What makes Mago7 unique? Mago7 stands out because of its dual benefits. It's designed to support gut health through oxygenation, while also delivering magnesium to your body. Plus, it's free from artificial ingredients, preservatives, and stimulants, making it a clean, natural option you can trust. Who should use Mago7? This supplement is perfect for anyone looking to improve digestive health, enhance detoxification, or simply feel more energized. It's especially helpful for those who struggle with occasional constipation, bloating, or sluggish digestion, providing a natural way to reset and refresh your system. How to use Mago7? Using magnesium is easy and straightforward. Start by taking 1 capsule before bed on an empty stomach with a glass of water. Adjust the dose based on your body's response, and always follow the recommendation of your healthcare provider. Remember, consistency is key to experiencing the best results. Here's what people are saying about Mago7. After just a week of taking it, I feel so much lighter and more comfortable. Have you tried Mago7? Share your experience in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you're ready to discover the benefits of Magnesium O7 for yourself, click the affiliate link below to try it for yourself. Explore how this natural supplement can help support your digestive health, detoxification, and overall well-being. Your body is designed to renew and restore itself, and proper digestion is a critical part of that process. With Mago7 by NB Pure, you can give your body the support it needs to feel its best every day. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. Be healthy and happy.